So I've accidentally sized my thread too short. I'm going to show you how to fix it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clip off our needles. You can see I've gone, you almost don't want to go this far because then if I had gone back to like here, I wouldn't have to cut off the needles. But I didn't, so now I do. We're going to take the needles, take the little pieces of thread out, and we're going to put them through the stitching holes like this. Then we're going to thread the needle while it's in the wallet. So we're going to thread the needle here and just pull through like this, and that'll create our back stitch. Now, because this is not really a stressed part of the wallet, one back stitch is enough because we're going to melt this thread, and it's a synthetic thread. So once it melts in, it's really not going to go anywhere, and we have a ton of stitching. This is a much longer stitch line than a lot of the big brands would do on a long wallet. So once I have the back stitch through, I'm just going to clip this. I'm going to take my lighter and I'm going to melt these ends. And now on all of these seams, you can choose to tap down the stitches. I'm going to use the 1/4 pounder. And what that's going to do is, when you lay another piece of leather on top of it, you're less likely to see the stitch line come through. But remember, we haven't finished the stitch line yet because I messed up and I didn't get enough thread. So all we're going to do is we're going to grab a little bit more thread, and it's only 3 holes, so we're basically just doing a back stitch. We're going to go out and back, and that's it. And then that's how you fix it. It's not a mistake, it's just you didn't use enough thread. So when you're making a kit like this and you don't have a lot of experience, it might happen to you. Don't worry about it. I'm actually going to go from the opposite direction for no real reason, just beyond it was easier to hold. And then we do the same exact thing we just did, except easier because we have enough thread to do it. And the nice thing about this particular spot in this wallet is you're never going to see this because it's covered by 2 other pockets. We're going to clip, and you want to leave about really only 1/8 of an inch. You don't need a lot of thread behind. Because it's a synthetic thread, it'll melt down, whereas if it were a cotton thread, it would just burn. And then I usually just take my lighter and smush it down. If you've got the calluses built up, you can just push it down. It's not going to burn you, but that is how, if you do not use enough thread in the beginning, you splice in a new piece of thread.